building his micro building blocks motorcycle. Alright, so today, like I said in the intro, we are building it's basically Legos, but it's Nicole brand micro building blocks. It's a motorcycle. So let's get to it.
Alright y'all, Dylan's got a sleepover he's headed over to, so he's gonna go and pack and go do that. I am gonna finish this up, I hope, because when they say micro, are they joking, Dylan?
No, and this is really stressful because you have to be very light on the blocks, and some of the parts that
Hold that up for them. That is tiny. I didn't realize.
I don't know if you could see that, but
it's so little. This is absolutely frustrating. And there's nothing on the box, like it tells the actual dimensions, but like I feel like there should be like an actual size or something like that.
Yeah, I have an idea. I can go run up to my bedroom to grab a Lego to compare to those.
Yeah, just grab something that's the same, like a little single layer square. And another thing while we're talking about this, so these directions, they're pretty good, but like you just got these lines that tell you where to line up. Can you even see those? So, I mean, we found it in the store with a bunch of other Legos and stuff. I don't like it. We have another kit of a different motorcycle. Eventually we'll do that for y'all, but so far this isn't fun. This is actually, like Dylan said, this is really stressful. Once he comes back with that actual Lego, just to show you the size, yeah. Back in a second. Alright, so we're back. So this is an actual Lego brand Lego that everybody knows. Just a little single layer 2x1. This is this micro block single layer 2x1. There's absolutely no comparison there. This is, when they say micro, they're not joking. So
you need like 10 of those. Just make one of those.
Yeah. So this is why we're struggling. That's kind of why I said I really don't like this particular brand. Now we know. All right.
Not to buy these.
Yeah. Have fun on your sleepover, kid.
I will.
Love you.
The sad thing is we have to build the other one.
I know. I told him that. All right.
We can show them now.
Tease him. All right. Let's get back to it.
All right. Bye.
Alright, y'all, so I've only gotten 4 steps, if that tells you anything. This is really awful. I will finish it, but I think I'm going to cut the video here because, yeah, it's already getting really long. So far, first impressions, as you've heard me say, I feel like the packaging is pretty simple, but there's no like recommended age or anything. Like, here's the box. There is actual measurements, but that doesn't really help. So there's that. Like, there's really nothing. Front and back are essentially, the same. So I think we're gonna cut the video there, and we'll make this a 2 or 3 parter just because I'm not really enjoying it, but I'm determined to finish it. Please, if you enjoy seeing Dylan and I get frustrated with these kind of things, give us a big old thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to us, please. Check out our Facebook group, Twitter, Twitch, Instagram, where we usually put up pictures every day of stuff. We've also got now a Patreon group, or a Patreon page. So donating there would definitely help out get better projects for y'all, and we'd really appreciate it. Yeah. Oh, and we started using this service called TubeBuddy. It helps get our tags and stuff so that we can actually get our content out to new viewers. So if you do have your own YouTube channel and you haven't heard of it, go ahead and click the link also in the description. Links to everything that I've mentioned down below, and clicking that link will also help us out if you do decide to purchase it. Yeah. Thanks, y'all.